Hi! In front of me is Nokia X20 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this smartphone. Start by opening settings. Now scroll down, choose security over here and tap on face unlock after scrolling down. Over here enter your current login method and tap on set up face unlock. Then read the disclaimer and choose start at the bottom right corner. Remember to keep your face in frame and follow all of those instructions. Following that, you need to click on Done at the bottom right corner and adjust all of those face unlock settings by tapping on the switchers next to the tools and features. So now, when I click Home button, turn off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!